Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chrysler Town and Country, and I will show you how to remove and replace the taillights and taillight light bulbs. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. Okay, so to start, first you'll want to leave the trunk to get access to two mounting screws for these taillights. So you'll have one here and one just down here at the bottom. They are both torx T30. So to start, remove those two screws. Okay, so this is the tool you will need, T30. Okay, so once you have these two screws out, there is nothing else holding this taillight in place actually, other than a couple of pins here on this side. Now the idea here is you don't want to try and pull this taillight towards the left side, just because you will break the pins and then you won't be able to install the taillight back in. So the idea is you have to pull it straight towards yourself. Now what you want to use, you'll have to probably pry this taillight a bit just here from this side to get it out of those pins, right? So to actually get the pins out. If you don't have a plastic trim tool, you can try to use something like a flat screwdriver, but in that case just be careful not to damage the paint or the taillight. Okay, so I will try to show it to you here. Oh, okay, so you see, this taillight will have two pins, one here and one on the bottom, and those two will be in these two holes on the car, here and here. That's why I said you have to pull it straight out. If you pull to the side, you will break the pins, but once you do that, the taillight will just pop out. Okay, now to replace any of the light bulbs, all you have to do, you just have to turn this sockets counterclockwise like this and pull out, and this is the light bulb, right? So to replace the light bulb, again pull it straight out and then push in the new light bulb. There is no screws or anything, so I'll try to do it with one hand here. See, that's it. And to replace it, just push it back in. Same thing with the other ones. Okay, now if you are replacing the complete taillight, you don't have to remove any of the light bulbs, you just have to disconnect this connector. So to do that, first you want to push out this red safety pin. The best tool for that is just like a flat screwdriver. So you just want to push it out, so then that you can push this black tab right here and pull the wires out. I'll have to use both of my hands to do it, maybe not. Okay, and that's it. This is how you can remove the taillight. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.